This is going to be a video product review of the SGLEDs, that is SGLEDS, enclosed fixture rated light bulb. I'll show you the light bulb in a minute, but I want to give you some of the incredible features of this bulb. It's a 12-watt bulb with your standard E26 base. 12 watts is equivalent to 150 watts of an incandescent bulb. Here's where this bulb is absolutely amazing. It has 5000 K, which makes it a daylight quality light bulb, giving you very bright white, which gives you 1600 lumens. That is powerful. That is bright. Most light bulbs out there, maybe 900 lumens, 700 lumens. This is 1600. So if you're looking for a powerful light that's going to give you a lot of brightness in your room, this is what you want. The best part about this bulb, it is rated for an enclosed fixture. Most LED lamps out there, you cannot put the bulb inside an enclosed fixture. There's too much heat, it does not dissipate the heat properly, and you could cause a fire. Not with this brand, with the SGLEDs. This can handle an enclosed fixture. So if it works enclosed, you can imagine how perfect it is in a fixture that's not enclosed. It comes in a 4-pack. The price is absolutely amazing. 1600 lumens times 4. The brightness you're going to get in that room is going to be incredible. We're not done yet. This is also rated for indoor and outdoor enclosures. And the CRI is 80, which is the perfect brightness. Now I'm going to tell you, if you're doing YouTube videos, go out and buy a pack of these for 4-pack, set this up and use it for your YouTube lighting. You won't have to spend hundreds of dollars to light the room. You've got 4 of these, you're going to have lots of brightness. If you want this in your living room, put one of these in your light fixture, it's going to be perfect. In a living room fixture, in a kitchen fixture, 4 of these lights, you're going to have a very well-lit room. So let me plug it in now and show you what it looks like. There are no breakable parts on this lamp at all. It is free of toxic chemicals. There is no UV or IR radiation from this lamp. Let's plug it in. All my powerful video lights are off, so we're going to plug this in and check that out. 1600 lumens of bright white light. Perfect for any room. 12 watts of power. 12 watts of power to give you 150 watts of lighting. The camera is going to limit what it's going to show for the brightness, but let me show you that. That is bright. That's going to give you a lot of bright light in a light fixture. Perfect for a kitchen where you have 4 domes hanging from the ceiling and you want to light the table. This is great. Very economical. No toxic chemicals at all. Nothing to break. Powerful, bright light with 1600 lumens, 150 watt equivalent. I'm going to leave the link to purchase these in the description of the video. Make sure that you find them, SGLEDs. They're enclosed fixture rated light bulbs.